Zero waste and low waste implies that you leave behind no trash or excess materials. Zero and low waste products encourage the need to reuse and recycle and avoid things that will just end up sitting in a landfill for hundreds of years. It's a small but powerful way to promote an eco-friendly, sustainable lifestyle. Today, I'm sharing 5 eco-friendly products that you can use in the bathroom to reduce waste. First up, we have the Naked Shower Gel from Lush. This Naked Shower Gel is packaging free, so you can reduce waste while you wash. It's made with fresh, cruelty-free ingredients and come in a lot of nice fragrances. Mine is in American Cream. It's not made like a bar of soap. Naked shower gels work exactly the same way their liquid counterparts would without the need for packaging. Next up, we have Lilova period panties. In the USA alone, over 20 billion used menstrual products end up in our landfills every year. A regular tampon or pad takes up to 500 to 800 years to decompose. That's why period panties are a much greener option. Lilova period panties, mine are in the style Mia Hipster, hold up to 2 tampons worth. The underwear is composed of 4 different layers that goes all the way to the back for ultimate protection. I would give these a 7 out of 10 rating as they're great for a medium flow. It's recommended that if you have a really heavy flow to wear with a cup or a tampon as backup, and they're great to wear alone at night and towards the end of your cycle. Overall, they'll decrease the amount of tampons and pads that you use and throw away, which means you're saving the earth and money, and they're just so much more comfortable than wearing a tampon or a pad. Lilova offers 6 different styles, which differ in how much they hold based on the style. In the description box, you'll find the link to your next pair of eco-friendly period panties. Next, we have eco-friendly safety razor. So you know those cheap plastic razors that you use once or twice and then throw away? Well, these are horrible from their environment. They're practically impossible to recycle, and they just end up in landfills in the ocean. With a safety razor, you can just replace the blade over and over again, and once it is time to get a new razor, you can recycle the metal. The blades are cheap, and you end up actually saving money using a safety razor. Of course, the safety razors kind of have a learning curve to them. You can't use them kind of carelessly the same way you would the plastic razors. You have to be careful, so I just mind you of that when you're switching over to using a safety razor. Next, we have a bamboo toothbrush. A bamboo toothbrush is so much better than the plastic toothbrushes that once you're done with them, you just end up throwing them away in the trash. Bamboo is a renewable resource, and you can be able to recycle it. Bamboo itself produces more than 30% of oxygen and helps absorb a lot more carbon dioxide, so it's just a better resource to make a toothbrush out of. It minimizes waste because every part of the toothbrush can be recycled, and it actually improves health. So pesticides are not needed to grow bamboo, which is perfect for using on personal products you're always putting on your mouth. And last but not least, we have organic reusable cotton rounds. Now these are a good zero waste swap for makeup wipes because you literally just use those and throw them away. With these, you can use these with almond oil or coconut oil. I use mine with almond oil to remove your makeup. And then once you're done, you can pop it in the little bag, put it in the wash to reuse all over again. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped or served as inspiration. Don't forget to check out Lilova's period panties. I'll link them in the description box below. They're a great way to save the earth, money, and they're just so much more comfortable than wearing a pad or tampon. The rest of the products will also be linked down below in the description bar. And don't forget to subscribe for more minimalist inspired content.